medyo hindi po siya makadecide kung hindi siya makadecide kung lalagyan ng ice
Kasi
cream.
parang konti na lang eh.
Kaso wala na kaming pera.
Gusto mo silipin yung bread and chocolate?
Ay, delaying tactic.
Ayan,
What did you order?
Trudonic with ice cream and ice cream.
Oh, wake up! Yummy. Cinnamon. Tapos
Sugar.
vanilla. Horse park. Parking ng horse. Yay!
Nakakaawa ako sa mga kabayo.
Bakit?
Parang buong araw na sila humihila-hila. Sa pahinga nila nakatayo pa din sila.
Bigyan mo upuan.
Ano sila oh. Tapos may nakalagay pa sa bibig.
Alam ko ba hindi ka mahilig sa animals?
Hindi nga, pero
You don't have, diba? You don't have to.
if you love, you care.
What's our top 3 Prague likes?
Number 1 is the closeness of the tourist destinations. You can pretty much go around, see all the sights of Prague in just one day. Sobrang lapit siya sa bawat and para sa mga hindi mahilig maglalakad na masyadong malayo,
Like me,
this is the place to go. And it will
walking
only,
lang hindi mo kailangan sumakay,
Yes.
hindi mo kailangan bumili ng unlimited train pass.
To maximize that one day na gagawin mo rito, you better get the tour. And number 2 ko is yung very good, very amazing na free walking tour Prague, and our very gracious guide na si Amanda. She shared a bit about her history and then tied it up with the history of the place, which is very, very good.
Sa Prague, yung isa sa mga pinakagusto ko yung pagka-medieval ng feel niya. Prague is may past na Roman Empire, Russians, Soviet, may mga knights, crusades.
Wala kasi medyo crusade.
Wala ba? Parang chessboard. Meron talagang knights, tower, king, queen, empire, soldiers.
Empire. Hindi, titignan ko yung mga scammer eh, which we don't have, which is another thing. Pero hindi siya yung number 3 ko.
Actually, the warm people, parang hindi sila kasing taray nung pinanggalingan namin. Gusto rin nila sinasabihin muna sila ng hello bago ka magsasabi ng tanong mo or request mo sa mga shops.
Dobre dan.
Dobre den. Dobre den.
Number 3 ko would be it's really cheap. The place, this is really
Yes,
cheap.
oo nga pala.
Coming. And then lastly, and then runner-up ko is if you get a really good accommodation, which we have sa Airbnb through kay Daniel. Link lalagyan namin below. It's a really good place kasi meron siyang washing machine. We get to do our laundry.
Para pumunta kami sa Europe para
Para maglaba.
maglaba sa Prague. Sabi ni Amanda, yung aming tour guide, the most overrated tourist destinations or tourist traps in Europe, first is the Mona Lisa in Paris. And second is this astronomical clock. Because after daw magtunog-tunog nung clock,
After niya magawa yung show.
you will see the disappointed faces of the people.
Mas maigi nga kasi kung alam mo yung reason kung bakit meron ganyan. Pero kung hindi mo alam kung bakit siya meron ganyan, medyo underwhelming talaga siya.
Yeah. Ano nga bang story? Bakit cobblestones ang nasa sahig?
So I think ang pinaka main reason yan would be dahil yung mga bato, pagkakalagay nila dyan, pantayan, parang tile sa bahay. Kaso during winter na merong snow and may summer, anything changes in the temperature. Nasisira actually yung mga bato. Lumalaki lalo yung gaps in between, kaya nagiging ganyan. naman
is
pala
a
dito eh.
small elevator.
Pwede naman pala lab eh.
Inakyat namin ang mga bagahe na to sa 4th floor ng aming Airbnb. Apparently, meron palang elevator. Elevator pala to. Last day na namin nalaman. Ang top Europe experience mo kung i-rank mo yung mga napuntahan na natin would be so far
Well, Netherlands. Netherlands, Prague. And then we have Uptown Mall. And then Paris.
Grabe ka naman, Uptown Mall pa din.